understood what are equivalent fractions. Now how to get the equivalent fractions? See, here we have the fraction 1 by 2. We have to find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Now we have seen what are the equivalent fractions, isn't it? Now let us see how to get the equivalent fraction. This equal 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. This same fraction we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. If we multiply the numerator and the denominator of a given fraction by the same number, numerator we have to multiply and the denominator also we have to multiply the same number. See, I am going to multiply by 2. See, numerator I multiplied by 2, then the denominator also 2. Then what we get? 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. So 2 by 4. Isn't it? So next equivalent fraction is 1 by 2 into, again we can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Here we multiplied by 2, here we can multiply by 3 into 3 into 3. See, 1 into 3, 3, 3 by 2, 3 is 6, 3 by 6. Again we can multiply, so 1 into 4 divided by here 2 into 4. 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 4, 8. So these fractions are, that is 1 by 2. Here we got 1 by 2 is equal to, what is it? 1 into 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, right? Equal to 1 into 3 is 3 and 2 3s are 6. So 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 4 is 4 and 2 4s are 8. So all these fractions and equivalent fractions. Now we can find so many equivalent fractions like this by multiplying equal numbers in the numerator and the denominator. Similarly, if the fraction is a big fraction, then we can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, right? So by dividing also we can find the equivalent fraction, and by multiplying the same number in the numerator and denominator we get the equivalent fraction, and if we divide the same number in the numerator and denominator also we get the equivalent fraction. Now another number, find four equivalent fractions of, find 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 4. See, the fraction given is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4, this fractions, 4 different equivalent fractions we have to find. Okay, so I told you how to find the equivalent fractions. To find the equivalent fractions, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So let us try it. So 3 by 4 should be equal to, equivalent means equal to 3 by 4. Same fraction we have to multiply by the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So 3 into 2 and 4 into 2. Okay, again we can multiply the same fraction 3 by 4 into 3 into 3. In the numerator and denominator we multiply by the same number. Again we can get 4 equivalent fractions we need, isn't it? Except this 3 by 4. Now 4 more we need. So again 3 into 4 and 4 into 4. It's equal to 3 by 4 into 5 into 5. So the equivalent fractions are, which are the equivalent fractions of 3 by 4? 3 by 4 equivalent means equal to. Okay, 3 by 4 is equal to 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. 6 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Now next equivalent fraction is 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Then 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Then 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Okay, so here we got that. This is the way to get the equivalent fractions. Okay, now we have to find the equivalent fraction of 15 by 20. Find the equivalent fraction of, find an equivalent fraction of 15 by 20. Okay, 15 by 20. See, here in 15 and 20, this is a big fraction. This is a numerator and denominator both are big numbers. So, it's a big fraction. So, we can find what the equivalent fractions. See, I told you by dividing also we can find the equivalent fractions. Right? So, 15 and 20. Here we have the common factors. 15 we can write like this. 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. Right? 20 means 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. Right? So, 5 and 5. See in this board, 5 is common. So, we can cancel 5. By cancelling, so what we get? 3 by 4. So, what is the equivalent fraction of 15 by 20? 15 by 20 is equal to 3 by 4. Right? So, by dividing also, we can get the equivalent fraction. Here you see, this I have shown like this, so this we can do like this also. 15 and 20 common factor, we can divide both 15 and 20 by 5. That is 15 divided by 5 divided by 20 divided by 5. Both the numbers we have divided by 5. So 15 by 3 is 5. 3's are 15. 15. In 15 how many 5's? 3 5's are there. In 20 how many 5's? 4 5's are there. Right? So 3 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 15 by 20. Okay children, I hope you understood.